87. Stardust and Destiny. In twilight's whispered sigh, where stars are born, a star-studded canvas my destiny had sworn, a cosmic blueprint woven by sublime design, every warp a sacred sign, every weft a choice divine. Elmarie Arnold. As I penned these words, I felt an inexplicable connection to the stellar influences that have shaped my existence. It was as if the planets themselves were sharing ancient truths about my destiny, guiding me toward a deeper understanding of my essence. One balmy spring evening in late October 2024, I lingered on our rustic wooden deck. Its slender slats, weathered to a soft silvery grey, seemed to glow in the fading light. The worn rope balustrade wrapped gently around the perimeter. Smoothed by the elements, it blended seamlessly into the deck planks. Before me, the tranquil waters of our picture-perfect dam shimmered softly, a pair of Egyptian geese gliding effortlessly across its surface. The surrounding landscape, ablaze with colour during the day, had given way to a softer, more muted palette. The flowering pincushion bushes were now dark silhouettes against the starry sky. Yet I knew that by day these same bushes would attract a flurry of sunbirds, their iridescent feathers flashing like jewels in the sunlight. Above our farm, the celestial tapestry unfolded like a majestic work of art, with stars twinkling like diamonds scattered across the velvet expanse. As I gazed up at this breathtaking masterpiece, the stars sparkled with my deepest longings and greatest fears. And I, a seeker of truth and identity, was drawn into their mystique like a moth to flame. In that lyrical moment, divinity imparted an enticing code. Astrology, with its ancient symbolic language, would unseal the hidden scrolls that foretold my life. As the night sky now shone with a deeper, more mysterious light, their gentle twinkling urged me to embark on this star-studded exploration of the soul. The next morning, with great eagerness, I began breaking the seals to decipher the untold chapters of my life. As I delved into the planetary alignments that had shaped my incarnation, the ancient wisdom of these cosmic guides emerged to offer me yet another powerful tool for self-awareness and understanding. In the following days, I was awestruck to discover that my birth coincided with a stellar revolution, a universal convergence that imprinted me with the energetic signature of evolution. This potent elixir courses through my veins and beckons me to embody the change I was born to create. My birth chart, a celestial Rosetta Stone, holds the sacred lexicon of symbolism and hidden narratives that have been inscribed upon my being since 31 March 1966. Just as the ancient Rosetta Stone empowered scholars to crack the code of hieroglyphics, my birth chart offers a symbolic language that shapes the trajectory of my soul. For those who may not be familiar with astrology, a birth chart is essentially a map of the celestial bodies at the exact time and place of an individual's birth. It's believed to influence a person's personality, strengths, challenges, and life path. My birth chart holds a rare and sacred geometry forged in the celestial crucible of a singular universal event. A once in 2,500 years alignment of certain planets imbues my chart with an otherworldly essence. This rare alignment instills my life with an unyielding sense of purpose and evolution. I am born a catalyst for change, destined to shatter restrictive patterns and forge innovative, soul-driven pathways. My journey is fueled by an insatiable hunger for depth, passion, and unbridled intensity. I am irresistibly drawn to the mysterious, the unknown, and the uncharted, driven by an unrelenting quest to unearth hidden truths, expose secrets, and illuminate the unseen. This rare alignment reveals that my early life has been touched by a profound sense of vulnerability, imprinting a deep scar on my emotional terrain. This wound holds a precious gift, the key to my own healing and transformation. I was born to embody the archetype of the wounded healer, guiding others on their paths of self-awareness and growth. My life is a rich tapestry of paradoxes, woven from the threads of light and darkness, structure and chaos, and healing and wounding. I navigate the dynamic tension between my passion for revolutionary evolution and my need for disciplined growth. This tension manifests in various ways, from the push and pull between my desire for freedom and my sense of responsibility, to the interplay between my creative spirit and my practical nature. Ultimately, my birth chart reveals that I'm on a courageous inner quest, delving into my psyche to confront my deepest fears, desires, and wounds. Through this transformative process, I'll transmute my wounds into sources of healing, power, wisdom, and strength. This journey demands courage, resilience, and determination, promising a rich reward. The unfolding of my true potential and the emergence of a more authentic, empowered version of myself. Completely starstruck by the uncanny accuracy of my chart and its profound resonance with my 58-year odyssey, I found myself irresistibly drawn to the other existentially seismic date. My inner voice whispered an intriguing prompt. Explore the astrological alignment of 16 July 2024. This, I yearned, might yield a deeper understanding of Curie's final requiem and perhaps even bring me peace. What I discovered next has left me in a state of overwhelming awe, bewilderment, and fascination. This feeling has lingered with me ever since, like an echo from the great unknown. The days surrounding 15 July 2024 were marked by a complex mix of planetary influences, centered around the fixed star Algol. This star is notoriously associated with violence, sudden death, and beheading. In a chilling coincidence, this alignment occurred just days after the assassination attempt on Donald Trump's life on 13 July during a campaign rally near Butler, Pennsylvania. A bullet grazed Trump's ear just above the neck in a shocking incident that sent shockwaves across the globe. The ominous significance of this alignment eerily resonated with the life and death themes of Curie's fateful day. As I ponder the Algol alignment, a paradoxical dance of emotions unfolds within me. Profound sadness, intertwined with a soothing balm for my aching mother heart. Keith's timeless mantra echoes in my mind. Every moment is a miracle. With these words as my guiding light, I reflect on Curie's final act through the stellar lens, and another facet of my life's grand design reveals itself. This celestial convergence reaffirms my inner knowing that my path, though mysterious and beyond human comprehension, has been preordained, and that ultimately all our lives are the luminous threads of a celestial loom, weaving together to form a radiant fabric of light, love, and interconnectedness. My essence echoes Keith's timeless wisdom. It's terrifyingly beautiful to think that every moment is a miracle. And even if my newfound understanding is merely a personal solace, a gracious gift from divinity to heal the wounds of Curie's passing and illuminate my own life's themes, I choose willingly to surrender to the mystery. I have unwavering faith in the unknown, trusting that it holds the secrets of my soul. And I trust that my solitary footsteps are being woven into the majestic carpet of humanity, each step a vital thread in the cosmic narrative. All is well with my soul. It is as it should be.